This is obviously a big challenge, but this is what I do. I have been driving since I was 8 and instantly fell in love with it. I love the speed, I love the adrenaline. I literally eat, sleep, breathe motorsport and cars and precision driving. What you want to do makes you happy. There should be nobody that tells you that you can't or you shouldn't do that. There is no such thing as a man's job or a woman's job. You are able to do absolutely anything in life.
So I've been racing for many years in various different championships and different disciplines. That led me on to James Bond, No Time to Die, and then several more movies.
I think it's overlooked at how physical motorsport is. We really get put through our paces.
I have a mind coach back home.
If I'm not in the right headspace, I won't perform at my best.
So Jess, this is unfortunately the most dangerous part.
Okay.
You can see how much water's coming down there. If you start sliding, you're going to go straight off the edge.
Okay, and you're sure about this?
No.
Is it possible?
It's never been done.
And I think that this will be one of the greatest things I've ever achieved if we are able to pull it off.
I'm laughing, but I'm scared.
When I was this far away from the big drop, I was worried. Very worried, actually. That was scary. I'm proud of myself, I'm proud of the whole team. The car has blown me away, it's been absolutely phenomenal. This is something that's going to stay with me for a very, very long time.